cleaning the sausage. For the sausage, you have to remove the skin from the sausage. Remove all the skin from the sausage to fry a little, a bit, not too much, because all these things are going to be cooked again in the oven. Okay, the sausage has been fried a little. Okay, now it's for me to mix the ingredients for the stuffing of the vegetable. This is that sausage fried a bit. It's cold. The rice I have boiled and left to be cold. 1 egg. The grated Parmesan cheese. Mix very well. So I was mixing with my 2 hands as a home woman. Kitchen, I need to use your bare hands to cook it. I think the mixture is okay as I want it. Now let's start the stuffing. So that's the salt. For the roast, just starting the salt and the meat. Stuffing starts. Now is add the ready stew in the oven pan. What a beautiful expectation. Now is to be covered with all the stew. Covered very well. Ready to cook in oven, 200 degrees centigrade, 45 minutes. It's a long process. It took the whole morning to prepare this food. If you don't have patience or like cooking, you will not prepare this food because it's a long process. Got some grated cheese on top. Cook it. My Russian friend taught me how I cook it together with her a long time ago.